Hello, my name is Joseph, here at Nalo Solutions. Welcome back to our channel. In our previous video, we looked at how to enable two-factor authentication on your account. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to check your account history. What is an account history? We have a dashboard that gives you access to all transactions made on your account. Here is how to check your account history on the Nalo Solutions platform. Visit app.nalosolutions.com. Log in with your username and password. Go to Credit History. At Credit History, tap on SMS History. At SMS History, you have some terms to go by. We have transactions by self and by admin. Transactions by self means transactions that you've made on the portal by yourself. Transactions by admin means transactions that were made by an administrator at Nalo Solutions. You can use the datetime modal to search for a period where the transactions was made. So here, I'll search from July 1st to July 31st and then search. You see all transactions made on your account. Here, your account team can give an account of every transaction that was made on the Nalo Solutions portal. If you have questions, comments, or queries, you can shoot me an email at jaduko@nalosolutions.com, or you can put up a question in the comment section. That's all for today, guys. Bye.